Okay, so in today's update about HBAR, I want to check out specifically this part of the price action, and I'm going to tell you why I think, at least for now, we are looking very optimistic, and odds are this is a correction, and soon we are going to see some more good moves on the upside in Hedera. So with that said, hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having a great time with your family and loved ones. And if you remember the last time that we talked about HBAR, we were right in here, and the idea was odds are this is just a wave 3, and then we're gonna have correction for another move up into wave 5, and that pretty much played out. Now our wave 5 wasn't actually that strong, but again, I'm gonna say it does still count, and we still have a beautiful and well-behaved bullish chart. Now right in here, I believe this was the end of our wave 3, and at the moment, according to my primary case, and I'm going to show some more arguments for why I believe this is happening, we are having a correction for 4, and after it's over, we are going to see again at least another good move up into our wave 5. Why is it that I believe this is a correction? Number one, what is one very important characteristic of a corrective movement? You know the answer, being slow and choppy and constantly having overlapping of the waves between our pullbacks on the upside. And I think this move has all the right characteristics for a corrective movement. Also, let's just measure this move down timing wise, starting from this high to about here. How long is it taking for us to have this move? About 378 candlesticks. On the other hand, in about, yes, the same period of time in Hedera, we had this move on the upside. So from my point of view, this suggests so far it seems like that bears absolutely failed to pull the price all the way back down here, and that's why I think bulls more likely than not do still have the upper hand, and this uptrend in the short term at least seems like that is not over yet. Do I have some more good evidence suggesting this is a correction? The answer, I believe, is yes. You see, if you want to say I am wrong and we're gonna have our final top around this area, let's say this is like a very important resistance. Okay, off of the highest high in here, you need to be able to find a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure down, and this is a normal 5 wave. Rules for it are we should not have overlapping of the waves between our wave 2 and 4, excuse me, right in here, and in any kind of 5 wave, wave 3 is not allowed to be the smallest wave. This is a big no-no in Elliott's waves, and for our sub waves, you know it if you are a regular viewer of the main channel. Let's just do this again. Sorry, 5 down into wave 1, 3, and 5. Okay. And for wave 2 and 4, we can have many different counts. It doesn't really matter a whole lot. Let's say, yes, ABC into wave 4 and a WXY into wave 2. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is going on, and can we find something like that starting from the highest high right in here. So I think sure we can say this move down is actually in form of an impulsive structure, but what about this part of the price action? Sure, you might be able to argue this is 1, this is 2, this is wave 3, correction for 4, another move down into wave 5. That can actually be possible. However, on a higher degree, well, okay, so far you have found 2 sets of 5 waves on the downside, and these are actually on the same degree, since in this move up in Hedera, we took this important high about, let's say, 19.8 cents. So what is it that I'm trying to say? I'm trying to tell you there's a good chance in HBAR we are having in this initial phase down an ABC zigzag, and maybe this is correction up, and we are going to get maybe like another ABC zigzag down in order to take this low. But overall, the shape of this move, according to my primary scenario, generally is going to be corrective and not an impulse into this wave 4. And after it's over, what are we going to have? I'm gonna bet on another beautiful move on the upside in Hedera into this wave 5. So for now in HBAR, I would like to be bullish as long as I'm not proven otherwise. And when is it that I'm going to be proven otherwise? When I see a very strong 5 wave impulsive structure down without a whole lot of overlapping of the waves. As long as I'm not seeing this thing, I'm gonna be optimistic, and I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Hedera. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.